Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I am here with something a little different today. This is the Budget Mom Live Rich Planner, and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough and show you what I used to use. So, I've been a planner girl for about 6 years, and I've used so many different systems. This is a traveler's notebook system. This is a Doodlebug one, just in case you're wondering. I've hardly used it at all. This is the Filofax, and it was my least favorite of all systems. I used it for 2 months tops, and I was done with it. In fact, I'm going to de-stash this in my Etsy shop, Biddy Penny, just in case you're a Filofax girl and you want one. I'll have it there for you. This is what I've been using, I guess, for the last 2 years or so, and it's worked for me. I get these at Target. They're like $10. It has a horizontal layout, fantastic, and it has this monthly spread. That's all it's got. It's very basic. Here is the larger version. Again, these totally worked for me, and I liked them. I don't like a really big planner, so this larger format was kind of too much, but it's basic, and I liked that. I've used Erin Condren. I've had Erin Condren for 2 years. This was the big one. This was the teacher planner. And, it's for a teacher. I'm not a teacher, but I was trying to adapt it to work for me. It was a big investment that I didn't really love, to be honest. I also had her smaller planner, and I used it. I used every page of it, but again, it wasn't my favorite. So, when I saw this planner, I was like, finally. So, this one's exactly what I needed, exactly what I wanted, and I need it right now. So, a few years ago, I got on to Dave Ramsey, and I got my husband on board. I tried to recruit everyone I knew to get on board with Dave Ramsey. And who fell off? The recruiter, me. Totally, I went 180 degrees, a different direction. I accumulated a lot of debt all on my own, and I'm getting back on board. I kind of hit my low point, and I am been rescued by my husband, my knight in shining armor, and I'm getting back on board. And I'm so excited that I found this now, and that the Budget Mom is someone I've followed her for a couple of years, but very lightly. And now that I'm coming into it again, I'm loving her message. Her message has grown stronger. I encourage you to check her out. What I like is that the Ramsey plan didn't work for her either, but aspects did, and that was kind of how it was for me. Aspects of it worked, but not all of it, and I like the adaptations she's made. So this is her planner. This is her brainchild. I love that it's not dated. I could start it as soon as I got it. By the way, speaking as soon as I got it, I placed my order on a Friday. It arrived to me on Monday. It was amazing. The shipping was like $13, but it was worth it. So, this is all about budgeting, and I love that, and I love the things that she's included. She is someone who's been budgeting for 9 or 10 years. She's got it down, right? And I love that she's an analog girl. So am I. I'm not a digital girl. I tried the Every Dollar app. I've tried Mint, and I don't get down with that. I need to write things down. I'm visual like that. Probably the only thing I'm not excited about is this layout. I do kind of wish she had a horizontal option, but who knows? That'll maybe come next year. I'm going to work with it because everything else is right. I sometimes will probably bring in this skinny washi tape to cover up the hours because I just don't plan like that. She uses hers in a very organized and practical way. When it comes to my weekly spreads, I use them as to-do lists, and I use them as memory keeping. So that's the difference between she and I. Otherwise, the rest of this is completely on point. You get a weekly spread like this before each week. You see, And she puts 5 in each month because she doesn't know obviously where you're going to start. So that is just so awesome. I'm going to show you now just kind of what the different tabs look like. So she has 2 themes this year. She has a fruit theme and a tiny house theme. I wanted the tiny house theme. The artwork is superb, and of course, I'm a paper crafter, so anything I don't like, I can work on it. But I actually love it all. I love the colors. I love the artwork. I love the sayings and the quotes that she's added from her journey. It's very personal, the things that she makes. I love supporting women-owned businesses, also small businesses. So for me, this is just it just checked every box. So I'm just flipping you through here, showing you what all the dividers look like, because I've already shown you what the inside looks like, right? It looks like the same every month. And I love that her color palette was very soft for the weekly spreads and stuff, so that if you're a planner girl who likes to add a lot of stickers and stuff, you're not going to have any like weird things going on. Okay, the back has this 2 folders, and inside are some stickers that are hand drawn, super cute, and they have the month tabs so you can tab all of your dividers. Anyways, I'm so excited about this. I've actually already got it going on, and I am loving it. So go check her out. Check out her channel. If you struggle with finances, please check her out. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.